Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. As always, I pray this video finds you happy, healthy and thriving. Today's video shows you how to paint this simple henna mandala using acrylic paint cones, and I really think this design is great for somebody that's just starting out with henna inspired designs, mandala art and using acrylic paint cones. Feel free to speed up or slow down the video, whatever you see best for you, and just follow along, enjoy the process, and if you have any questions, please pop them down below. And just to let you guys know, I am working on lots of new artwork behind the scenes. Unfortunately, life has been pretty crazy recently and nothing was ready to go out yet. So this diary is from the crazy Christmas period just a few months ago, and I just thought this would be a really good design for anyone that is just starting out with acrylic paint cones and that is starting out with this kind of intricately painted artwork. I hope it really helps you, and like I said, if you do have any questions, please just pop them down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I can. And while I'm here, just a massive thank you for all the love and support so far. Thank you for the amazing people that have bought me a coffee to help support this channel. You are amazing and I'm so grateful and so humbled that you bought me a coffee. So just thank you so much. And I hope to be around creating videos for you guys for a very long time, God willing. If there's anything you'd like to see from my channel, please do leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share with a friend as well, because it really helps the algorithm. It helps these videos to be shown to more people, and it helps us to continue to grow this beautiful community of art lovers and creatives that we have here. And you of course can also buy me a coffee if you'd like to go one step further in supporting this channel. The link will be down below, and everything that comes in from there will go back into this channel, into creating more artwork for myself, for you guys, for humanity, God willing. And that's it from me for this week. I am going to stop blabbing on right now because it is very late where I am and I need to get to bed. So I am going to do that, and you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please do ask for any help if you need any help in the comments down below, and be sure to follow me on social media. I'm at Beyond Henna on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and the algorithm is really killing me right now over there, so do be sure to give me a follow and leave a like and a comment over there as well. Don't forget that you matter and your unique voice, talents and gifts are needed in this world. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys really soon with a brand new video. Until then, take care. Bye.